We are off on a campervan holiday to Cornwall. There's about 5 campervans going all together, and we're doing a tour of Cornwall, Mevagissey, ending up in Padstow and coming back next Sunday. I'm looking forward to it. Well, the weather in Cornwall is nice. Last time I went there was about 1988. Really lovely, lovely, except like for the roads, very, very small. Halfway to Oxford on the A1. We're near Doncaster. We have some walkie-talkies. Now, did you know that in French they call them talkie-walkies? Our first stop here for coffee, lunch.
I'm probably just gonna have some crisps.
Some crisps. We got a bit of a salad that I made earlier on. This is my van. Really good. That's my guitar, just there. Absolutely amazing. Loving it. Really good. And here we are. Nice little campsite out in the wilds. There's a pub over there, so we parked here. Nice little spot. Good morning from a wet Banbury. Just made myself a cup of tea and some toast. We're hoping to set off Dorset at about 9 o'clock. Beautiful Salisbury. We're having a coffee stop here, just outside Salisbury. Absolutely beautiful place. I would love to have visited that, maybe on the way back. To see the cathedral and so on. Yeah, making a cup of tea in a small stop here. The kids are enjoying themselves. When I travelled around Cornwall in the late 80s, we were in a car and you couldn't see anything beyond the hedges. They were too high. I mean, but now in the van it's a lot easier to like see. Wow, how fantastic. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. This is St Austell Bay. Look at that. Look at the cliffs. Wow. Gorgeous, aren't they?
It's the little Microsoft server screen. You know that?
I bet it is.
Lord, is it?
We're just making some ratatouille to go with the steaks, which we're going to cook in the cob. Well, the ratatouille is coming on nicely.
Too early, too early.
Oh, no. The longer it takes,
Oh, the better it gets.
the better it gets. Oh, somebody's ringing me. Right, we've just arrived to this Ep1 Sands in the St Austell. This is my van. The skies don't look very nice. There's been thunder and lightning, and I think it's going to rain all evening. There you are.
Okay, have you ever played football?
Wow, what are we making?
You have to catch it.
I've got burgers on.
Right, lovely.
A bit of
You don't mind?
oh yeah, go for it. Belly pot.
Lovely. Looks good. I'm making some ratatouille.
Sorry.
Well, it's more like a piperade than a ratatouille because I've only got onions, peppers and courgettes. No aubergines.
No, obviously.
Right, another wet evening on Campervan holiday. Well, we're in Cornwall, and even though the weather's shite, we've decided to go for a walk. I mean, it's high in it, but what the hell? We're gonna do it because we're on holiday. And we are British. Well, I'm Algerian.
British Algerian.
British Algerian, and Jeff and we're holding them back because we don't have any waterproofs.
And we're old.
We're old, yeah, and we've got bad knees.
Yeah.
Who cares?
Turn back, these roads are really dangerous.
They'll be saying stupid people. This is the path.
There's the path.
Looks beautiful. Oh,
Don't touch it though.
no, it's dangerous.
Well, it might be here for a reason. It might. Up where we are, they've got avian flu.
See now scallops being cooked there. Lovely. This one. At home I would bit of garlic and parsley butter. Nice.
Krimo, I'm cooking tonight.
I know. Yeah. Or even what I would do, if you put small frying pan with butter, garlic, you cook them on here, stick them in the frying pan with the garlic, butter, and just as you serve them. Oh yes. Yeah. Good stuff.
Indian restaurant up there.
We're having a barbecue tonight, so everyone is buying meats and
Yeah.
things.
Do you know what they're getting so that you don't
Not sure.
keep high and lofty castles cast among uncharted soundings. There is no hand hold in the
With all the
Everything.
boats here,
Yeah,
he'll be busy.
yeah. There's a good fisherman, Alan Furrs. He's retired now on his boat. Do you know people come here, Krimo, and they never go anywhere else?
Yeah, it's a lovely place.
It's a very special place. It was voted the second best place to spend New Year's Eve.
Serious?
Yes, not New Year's Eve, sorry. Yeah, New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
And they all make their own costumes.
Uh-huh.
And it's just wonderful. Second best place in the country.
Absolutely.
For a village.
After Edinburgh, I bet.
Well, I think it's Trafalgar.
All right.
Yeah, Trafalgar Square. Or Edinburgh.
Yeah, it's a lovely place.
They saw 2 very angry octopus the other day.
Angry octopus.
Bright red when they're angry.
Uh-huh.
I love octopus. That's a fine boat builder. His son's taken over from his father,
Yeah.
who's retired now. And that boat went to Dunkirk. She brought loads of people back.
Yeah. Good history. And there is another harbour over there.
Yeah, and yes, it's unusual this having 2 harbours. That's 16th century, that wall.
Yeah.
That wall there. It's very nice to swim here. People swim here all day. There's steps down there.
In the
They can
summer.
swim there.
Fantastic.
Here.
Yeah.
October's the best time to swim. The
Wow.
seawater is the warmest.
Yeah.
in October.
Yeah.
It takes all that time for the Gulf Stream to
Yeah.
warm it up. And then there's a very lovely beach called Colstreth.
Wow.
That's fabulous, just round that rock.
And I love that.
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah.
My God. Looks lovely.
And blossomed on less barren soil.
Thank you. I said the roads in Cornwall are very narrow. My God, look at this. And they keep getting narrower